Welcome to the series Teaching My Wife Artificial Intelligence. In previous lecture, I had decided that we'll start with computer vision or Kaggle Learn chapter, but Shreya suggested that it is better we stick to large language models and keep everything related to that. So lecture 3 is now Llama research paper reading. So before we go into Llama model, let me first show a tool which is very important, which everyone should use. It is Notebook LM. So Notebook LM, it is not LLM, but internally it is powered by these large language models we talk about. So let me show what we can do. So here you create a notebook, specific thing you want to study. And I want to study Llama 3 research paper. So I will give link of this page here. And this downloads the entire PDFs, studies it, and this is available for me for studying, asking questions. I can put everything related here, and it is an incredible tool. Even more incredible is on the right hand side, which is deep dive conversation. Whatever content you upload, it generates a audio podcast on it. You can actually dial in and question and it will answer. This is an amazing tool. So Shreya, I know you have used this tool. How has your experience been?
For me, it makes reading research papers extremely accessible, especially because if you directly try to read research papers, you will get overwhelmed by the academic language because it's very hard to understand. But in this, what it does is it gives you the option to read it in a way that allows you to break down the content into small chunks and uh, take cross sections of the paper such that you can start read from anywhere. So it allows you to ask questions like how we used to have in English reading comprehension. You are given a paragraph and you are asked
Okay, let's
questions,
ask this.
except you
Okay.
are asking the question. So it was very helpful for like from the perspective of if you don't know how to begin reading research papers, then this makes it very easy.
So it's an incredible tool. You can in settings you can change output language, and it supports 16 Indian languages. I tried to make it generate a Marathi podcast summary of a research paper. Shreya, is there Bengali here? Let's try that. Let's see.
I don't
Let me
know.
go down. Let me go down. Okay, so here
बांग्ला बांग्ला है ऊपर
कहाँ पे?
हाँ ऊपर ऊपर जाओ थोड़ा नीचे आओ
हाँ,
नीचे ओके कीप गोइंग मराठी में हाँ हिंदी के नीचे बांग्ला
अच्छा, this is Bangla. Okay.
हाँ
So save and let's generate this. So in a bit, it will generate a Bangla podcast and let's see how good it is because Marathi one was excellent.
okay did it come in Bengali?
Oh yes, yes. Let's see. Ding ding. Okay, yes. Okay. Tell me if you can hear it though.
I think everyone can try this and
Oh
see.
yes, yes. We generated it here. Let's have open link in Bangla. It's this. Then yeah, check it out.
Okay, I'm checking it out.
আজকে আমরা একটা দারুণ গবেষণাপত্র নিয়ে কথা বলব। ওপেন অ্যান্ড এফিশিয়েন্ট ফাউন্ডেশন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ মডেলস। এটা আর্কাইভে প্রকাশিত হয়েছিল
Oh, this is very good. This is news quality Bengali.
কেন এটা নিয়ে এত আলোচনা আর
It's so good I can't understand it. I'm not born and brought up in Kolkata. I can't follow extremely good Bengali.
Yeah, it's that amazing. So this notebook LM.
That is amazing.
So this is a great tool and it just showcases how useful a specific LLM can be. So LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini. These two are world's best large language models, which are very intelligent. There are some reviews which say that their knowledge is equivalent to a double PhD person at a minimum.
You know, all double PhD people are gonna hate you. हमसे comparable. पता है, you know how
Sheldon would
hard
hate
to
it,
work
right?
at a PhD. All of them would find it offensive.
Anyway, so those who have PhD, if they learn how to build an LLM, their PhD is even more valuable. So maybe that. So these are amazing, okay? And these LLMs, there is a very excellent blog here by Epoch AI. This is a graph. It compares these open source models. These models, they led to these companies having $1 trillion evaluation, Nvidia and these things. So the ones in green, these are the open source models available. Here, if you go back, ChatGPT started in October 2022, since the whole market exploded. So these are these model at top. But what is amazing is this color in blue. The one in blue, they are open source. So we can download them, we can customize them, we can build something on top of them.
Okay, अभी अगर मतलब ऐसे मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता, मैं आई अभी और फिर मैंने ऐसे देखा LLM रैम कैलकुलेटर और ये सारे नंबर्स, तो इमीडिएटली मेरे ब्रेन में क्या नैरेटिव फॉर्म होना चाहिए एज अ लेमैन?
Okay, sorry. Then maybe I should start in a different way. Then the narrative to form is 7 billion to 8 billion parameters is a standard size, which every individual can also access easily. मतलब OpenAI company, Google company, they have kitna data, kitna GPUs. They have tens, millions of GPUs probably running their model. We can't do that. That's why the model which is accessible to us with most powerful capabilities is 7 to 8 billion parameter. So an individual who wants to learn AI should master how to train, fine tune, and do work on 7 to 8 billion parameters. That's
ओके, वन मोर, इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टेंजेंट. ये जो नाम है लामा, फाई, जेमिनी, इनका कुछ इनहेरेंट लॉजिक है कि बस कूल लग रहा था इसलिए दिया नाम?
No, there is no logic in the name. It's just cool लग रहा था इसलिए दिया, इसलिए you
तो
have
इसका नाम मतलब अंकित भी हो सकता
Ankit
था.
भी हो सकता था. Yes, if Ankit had
Okay.
$15 billion and he was the founder of Facebook, yes, it could have been Ankit.
In that case, if someone who has no idea about the names of this model, because नाम से कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा है ये लोग क्या करते हैं,
Correct.
what is the series of questions you can ask to Google so that you get familiar with ये सब अंकित, सुरेश, लामा, फामा नाम?
I would say top open source LLMs ये search करो. तो I would say there are only 3 to 4 names which always come. Okay. I will just list those in the Google Doc. ऐसे करते हैं. ठीक है. Essential open source LLM models. First is Llama. ठीक है. Then there is Mistral. Then there is Gemma. There is Phi. There is DeepSeek. And I would say that is it. Mistral. Grok भी है.
Qwen?
Qwen है. Qwen is good. Qwen.
तो मतलब इन माय हेड मैं ऐसे सीख रही हूँ कि AI एक मतलब सपोज एक आइलैंड है जिसका कल्चर है और तुम वहां जा रहे हो, तुम किसी को जानते नहीं हो, बट तुम इन 6-7 लोगों को जानते हो तो तुम सबको जान ही जाओगे.
Correct.
मतलब
Correct. These are
जाके
the
इनसे
key.
बात करेंगे तो सबको पहचान सकते हैं,
Correct.
पहचान बन सकती है.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Correct. So main big guys यही है. Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, IBM and इनके ये ऐसे. And these are enough open source models. उसमें से first one was Llama, and that is the research paper we are gonna go into. Okay.
ओके. हाँ.
So now let's go through the Llama research paper. Okay. Here We already mentioned Llama is open source model pre-trained by Facebook, and they have spent a lot of money, and we are directly using it. 7 to 8 billion parameter, 1 byte is 1 byte, where 1000 bytes is 1 KB, 1 million bytes is 1 MB. Similarly, billion translates to GB. 7 billion translates to approximately 7 into 4 GB, or if we compress it, it could be 7 GB. Okay. So Llama is this model, and let's go read this research paper. We talked about Notebook LM, very good tool. It's definitely one of the very useful ones. And there is another tool, which is Zotero. So in this Zotero, you can download all the research papers you want to read and put them into one place. You have an iPad. So let's say you have installed Zotero on iPad and you are reading it from iPad. So you can, take notes on it, and this is like a gets synced. So whether from desktop, mobile, iPad, everywhere, it's like a great tool to put in to have in your repertoire. Okay, so Llama, this here. Before we go into this, let me tell you what is a large language model in extremely simple way. Okay, so this is a small model. If if in this model I make it right now, it is 1000. Okay, if I add three more zeros, there are how many? 1 million. And if
1
I add
million.
this thing, 1 billion.
1
So if
billion.
I make it, let's say 3 billion, and for each there are something like this, what it has become is it has become a okay, this needs to be like this. Okay, so this has become a small model got converted into a large model. So what is a large language model? It's just a model which is so large that people have found out that it can do a lot of other things as well. And this is what the whole Llama thing is about. Okay. So if you go and check the research paper, sorry, just a second. If you go and read the research paper, it talks about what we did, what Facebook did. They trained a 7 billion parameter model. For that model, they gave a data. The way this data is given right now, we is a single word, introduce is a single word. Similarly, for the model, the words are called as tokens. So here they have said 1 trillion tokens means 1 trillion words. Approximately, a word gets converted to multiple tokens generally, but it's a good mapping. So they did that, and they simply evaluated our model outperforms a bigger model on most benchmarks. This is the summary of it. They said that a small model trained with a big data for long enough outperforms a GPT model, which was, became very popular. So that's why Llama is the model we are starting with, because this model is equivalent to the big models these paid companies are have built. So here, if you go into the introduction, it goes into these details. It talks about how people found out that if you make model huge and data huge, suddenly model gets some new capabilities. So it talks about those things. But as a beginner, okay, we don't need this entire history lesson. We can directly start with, what is working. Let's start with that. Okay. So the key thing here is this sentence. They compare with a old law. So the old model said that a 10 billion parameter model should be trained on 200 billion tokens. Okay, what is a model? Model does stochastic gradient descent. It takes in data and minimizes loss, correct? So as long as we give more data, loss is going to reduce, right? So what did Facebook do? Facebook was like, you know what? We are going to do this for a longer period of time, and let's see what happens. And they did do that, and they found out that just a small model became more intelligent through it. So you have two options. You can either increase the model size or increase training data. That's it. So if we scroll down and in this approach, now here they talk about the training data they had. Okay, let me open my Zotero here. And there are a few stats I have written here. So first, about talking about the training data. This thing has how much training data? It is 1.4 trillion tokens.
Hmm.
This is the training data they have, and it has these statistics.
Hmm.
1 trillion tokens equal to 10 million books.
Hmm.
It's equal to 4 TB of books. It's equal to 2 billion
Hmm.
pages. So this
Hmm.
huge data is given to this model.
Hmm.
And now they have done, they have something from English, they have something from this thing, they have some code, they have research papers, they have lots of books data set. This is where a lot of this thing is there. So a lot of these books were copyrighted, so there whatever lawsuit happened, it happened because of this. And then Facebook started not declaring what data they use. They still use the data which is pirated, but now they won't admit to it, because when they did, there was, like, why did you use this? So, anyways, this is the data. Okay, simple.
Hmm.
Model is also a scaled up version of the small model we saw. That is
Hmm.
also simple. It's just big, and now you just have to make it train. That's all this problem becomes. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, if we scroll down, this is the architecture, and here in the graph, you can see on the y-axis the loss.
Hmm.
Lower the loss, better the model is becoming, right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
as and when the color is different, you can see a model which gets bigger has less
Hmm.
loss, because it has
Hmm.
learned more from the same data. And
Hmm.
as and when we keep training on the larger and larger data, they observed key loss is decreasing. So they were like, you know what?
Hmm.
I can just increase my data. I'm Facebook. I can get a
Hmm.
lot of these data. I'll just keep
Hmm.
training and I'll reach this number, which makes it better than GPT-3 and GPT-4. And I'm going to
Hmm.
say to the market, you know what, this is the open source model, this is the open source data, and I have spent billions of dollars here so that you don't have to. And now entire community is going to use this model, because no one has to redo this effort. The pre-training part is the most expensive.
Hmm.
And how expensive? I really love what comes next. Okay, there was, in this research paper, this was a sentence here. Okay, when training 65 billion parameter model, they observed that in a second you process 380 tokens slash words. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you
Hmm.
calculate from this 380 tokens out of 1.4 trillion
Hmm.
tokens, right?
Hmm.
So then how much duration does it become? It turns out 4 billion seconds. So it turns out it will be total 127 years of training time if we do it with just one GPU.
Oh my God.
This is where the money thing comes. They required 2048 A100 GPUs with this huge GB of RAM, so that by having 2000 GPUs, this 127 years of time was cut short by 2000, and this training got finished in 21 days.
Oh my God. That is.
This is where the money spent. And worst of all, by the way, they talk about the only successful training run they have done. They have parallelly, I'm sure, definitely have trained different kinds of model, seeing which one works, which one doesn't, and उसमें भी उतना ही पैसा गया है. So that's why foundation model is something for is a rich man's job, and we should be able to learn how to fine tune small models and make them as capable as we can.
Okay.
Okay, so this was this. This calculation was really nice. I'm very proud of converting this 380 tokens per second per GPU to this 4 billion seconds, and this calculation. Something pretty nice to understand in detail. Okay, so let's see what is next. Okay, so first was data, right?
Hmm.
Training model first was data, next was model. In the model,
Hmm.
we saw bigger the model, better thing it's gonna be, and blah blah blah. And here in this architecture, they talk about own a few improvements they did into the architecture.
Hmm.
These are really small improvements. Okay, they are
Hmm.
not a big improvement. So one doesn't have to worry कि बहुत complicated maths आए. It's a very basic, simple innovation, simple efficiency innovation, and that's it. So going down, here comes the way of evaluating a model. And just like you asked, right, llama पता कैसे चलेगा? वैसे ही in testing a model, there are something called as benchmarks. Each benchmarks test how good a model is at that specific thing. Okay. And these benchmarks are called name like, let's see, let me scroll down. These are simple. Okay. We have code generation के लिए code generation, it will be called. Or reading comprehension के लिए it will be called reading comprehension. But there is something very popular.
Where are the benchmarks?
I'll show. These ones are benchmark. Model
Palm,
performance for
Palm,
code
Palm.
generation. Yes, the Palm is a model name, and the benchmark is Human Eval, MBPP, GM8K.
ये AI का JE है क्या?
That's why I'm saying कि don't worry about this name of the benchmark. There are only few benchmark names you need to know. The first of them is this. It is called as MMLU. It stands for Multitask Language Understanding. So this model is able to do lots of natural language processing, understanding, and we can evaluate models with just this. Okay, so MMLU, that's all you need to know when you're beginning. And then there is another thing called as super glue. That's another benchmark. MMLU multitask का है. And super glue is, remember we had this reading comprehension question. English का एक paragraph होगा, उस पे questions रहेंगे. So super glue is that. English is given. Can you understand the English and can you understand the question? So super glue is English का, and this is multitask. It has summarization. It has different domain का thing, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So here if we scroll down, this is the massive multitask language understanding. उसमें ह्यूमैनिटीज के क्वेश्चन है, स्टेम के क्वेश्चंस है, एंड इन सब में लामा 7B का स्कोर इफ यू चेक, इट कम्स आउट टू बी एज गुड एज द GPT-3 मॉडल, विच इज 30 times bigger than this.
What is the scale? Like 34 out of 100? What is it?
That I don't know.
क्योंकि
It is
अगर
100,
इतने
I
मार्क्स
think.
आए ये तो मेरे भी आ जाते थे इसमें लामा के क्या जरूरत
वो वैसे वाला नहीं है ये. You're right. If you go get close to 100, you are better. But यहाँ पे 30 itself is a very good score वैसे.
अच्छा, तो इसको ऐसे देखना पड़ेगा कि जैसे पाम वाले में
हाँ
540 बिलियन में 77 इतना सब स्कोर कर रहा है,
हाँ
लेकिन हमारा बच्चा सिर्फ 7 बिलियन
ये
में
इतना
इतने
कर रहा
मार्क्स
है. यस,
ला रहा है.
बहुत होशियार है, शातिर बच्चा है अपना. यस.
उसको उसने सिर्फ स्ट्रीट लैम्प में पढ़ाई की, फिर भी उसके
करेक्ट. ये अंबानी का
इसलिए
बेटा,
उसको
इसको
सिर्फ
क्या है, इसको 540 बिलियन पैरामीटर, इतना बड़ा. गूगल का.
हमारे सिर्फ 7 बिलियन में हमने छोटे सपने देखे भी.
yes, yes, that's the way to look at it. और ये ऐसे ही है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे ना, सो पाम इज अ गूगल का मॉडल. गूगल हैज, यू कैन इमेजिन कितना ट्रेनिंग डेटा एक्सेस है. तो जो 540 बिलियन पैरामीटर में कर पाता था जस्ट इन मई 2022, नाउ इन 5th May of 2024, this is last year, same accuracy ये 3 बिलियन पैरामीटर मॉडल कर पाता था. सो ये ऐसे ओवर टाइम
नाक कटा दी. ये देखो शर्मा जी का बेटा 3.4 बिलियन में इतने नंबर ला रहे, तुम पे कितने 540 बिलियन लगाने पड़ रहे.
कहाँ गए हाँ?
हमारी मेहनत की कमाई.
Yes. So every year, that's why these companies spend money and release better and better models. So अगर if we compare with latest Palm model, तो then उसकी accuracy of course better होगी. So everyone is just crisscrossing and improving. चलते रहता है. Starts with data, 1.4 trillion tokens. Model, एक 7 billion parameter का model, which fits into 7 to 14 GB of GPU RAM. और फिर उसका evaluating how good the model is, it is MMLU and super glue. And then उसके बाद में कुछ नहीं, it is just a comparison of these things. and then we have a model which has learned. Okay, so क्या होता है 1.4 trillion, मतलब it's like those many million books. So what has model learned? Model can take, and model has learned to predict the next word for everything in that text, and through that it has learned a lot of things. तो उसके बाद में this is called as a training of the model or pre-training. Why? Because model सिर्फ next word predict करता है, इसको ना स्पेसिफिकली कुछ दिया नहीं गया है. दिस इज वेरी जीनियस व्हाट पीपल हैव डन. इंटरनेट पे फोकट का डेटा है, दे वर लाइक लेट्स स्क्रॉल एवरीथिंग, लेट्स डाउनलोड एवरीथिंग, एंड फोकट का डेटा है, उससे मॉडल को लर्न कैसे करा है, तो जस्ट नेक्स्ट वर्ड प्रेडिक्ट कर ले प्रीवियस वर्ड से. सो क्या क्या हैपेंस, यू डोंट हैव टू गिव एनी डेटा व्हिच इज इंटेलिजेंट.
मतलब प्री ट्रेनिंग का आउटपुट में मॉडल को कुछ तो भी बोलना आना चाहिए, मतलब
हाँ, the
इंग्लिश
next
के
word,
जिसमें.
the next word needs to be coherent with what was given to it before. That's it. उसका अगर
हाँ,
एग्जाम
तो ऐसे व्हाट इज लव बेबी डोंट हर्ट मी आगे ऐसे.
यस. ओके, सो मैं एक लामा का ये मॉडल रन करके दिखाता हूं, और इसमें व्हाट इज लव. ओके,
टू शो यू व्हाट इज लव एनीवे. इसके दिमाग में तुमसे ज्यादा लव के थॉट्स हैं.
So it is just predicting next word, उसको एक एक दे के करते रह रहा है, and this is a pre-training model. ठीक है. और if you
Okay.
check, love के related ही कर रहा है. पहले it talks about Valentine's Day here, then it talks about some feeling, adoration, appreciation, blah blah blah. So ऐसे love के related ही ऊपर नीचे चल रहा है. This is pre-training. Okay, and then
Yes.
इसको और थोड़ा better करने की step होती है fine tuning.
Okay.
प्री ट्रेनिंग में आप 1.4 ट्रिलियन डेटा विच टेक्स अराउंड मे बी 10 TB इन योर हार्ड ड्राइव, वो जाता है. इंस्ट्रक्शन फाइन ट्यूनिंग का काफी स्मॉल डेटा होता है कंपैरेटिवली. उसमें ना इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऐसे रहते हैं कि गिव मी अ समरी ऑफ दिस, एंड एग्जाम्पल दिया रहेगा और उसकी समरी दी रहेगी. सो इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक कोहरेंट चीजों का, उसमें बहुत सारे टास्क है इसमें. ठीक है, कि समराइज किया, ट्रांसलेट किया, अलग किया, ये किया, वो किया.
मतलब मैं समझ गई.
हाँ,
प्री ट्रेनिंग मतलब तुम्हारा फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड टू 12th स्टैंडर्ड की पढ़ाई, जिसमें तुम जनरल चीजें पढ़ रहे हो
करेक्ट
और तुमको मतलब ऐसे जनरल कुछ तो आता है.
करेक्ट.
एंड देन फाइन ट्यूनिंग इज तुम स्पेशलाइजेशन करते हो
यस
कॉलेज में जाके.
यस, स्पेशलाइजेशन. और तुम्हारा फाइन ट्यून हो गया है, तो फिर इसमें जो कॉस्ट होती है फाइन ट्यूनिंग की काफी कम होती है. 98% ऑफ द टाइम्स कॉस्ट प्री ट्रेनिंग में ही जाती है. फिर उसके बाद में ये जो फाइन ट्यूनिंग होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंस्ट्रक्शन फाइन ट्यूनिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट लर्न्स टू फॉलो इंस्ट्रक्शन. उसे बोला ये व्हाट इज लव, ये ऐसे रैंडम होते रहा था, राइट? तो मैं आई विल शो यू इंस्ट्रक्शन फाइन ट्यून मॉडल, एंड वो क्या बोलता है अभी. Okay, so it has gone into a very detailed thing here.
Types of love, characteristics of love.
It has learned to answer जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. That's why it's what is love? It's a complex emotion, definition, types of love, characteristics of love, ऐसे सब मस्त बुक कोर्स
इसलिए
बन
बहुत
जाएगा.
सारे कोर्सेस पढ़े.
Yes. So that is instruction fine tuning. Okay. और फिर बाजू में these are different things. It's like bias and toxicity क्या है, अलग अलग benchmarks.
What is toxicity for AI?
Toxicity for AI would be बॉम्ब बनाना है मुझे, कैसे बनाऊं घर, तो इट या फिर I want to kill someone and how do I be more effective in torturing तो देन वो बोल देगा ऐसे सो टॉक्सिसिटी
So you are still dealing with human toxicity,
यस
right?
यस बिकॉज डेटा में है ना वो, और उसको अकल थोड़ी ना है ये क्या आंसर करना है और क्या नहीं. सो
मतलब वो बच्चे के जैसे उसको मना किया फिर भी जाके बोल के आएगा।
करेक्ट,
हाँ, मेरी मम्मी ने बोला
यस
मेरी
यस.
मम्मी घर पे नहीं
सो
है।
जो भी
ओके।
मॉडल ने नहीं करना चाहिए उसका इंस्ट्रक्शन डेटा उसे चाहिए होता है कि झूठ
हाँ।
नहीं बोलना है, तो उसका डेटा सेट लगेगा कि ऐसे झूठ
हम्म।
नहीं बोलते हैं, फिर वो नहीं बोलेगा. ओके, तो ये ऐसे ऐसे करके उन्होंने दे काइंड ऑफ लाइक हैव कम टू द एंड, एंड देन दे से कि भैया ऐसे ऐसे था हमारा मॉडल है, एंड वी हैव मेड इट अवेलेबल, एनीवन हु यूजेस दिस मॉडल कैन बिल्ड इट, बट आपने हमारे मॉडल से जो भी बिल्ड किया उसमें लामा नाम होना चाहिए. इट्स अ मार्केटिंग थिंग. अगर कोई दूसरा होता तो दे वुड हैव सेड कि यू नो व्हाट, यू कैन गिव योर डिफरेंट नेम, बट फेसबुक ने वैसे नहीं किया. लामा हैज टू बी इन द नेम, इसलिए हर जगह पे लामा 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 चलते रहता है. एंड दिस इज अ सिंपल थिंग दे डिड.
तो
1.4
ओवर
ट्रिलियन टोकन्स पे
ओके
एक ह्यूज मॉडल ट्रेन किया, एंड इट टर्न्स आउट इट बिकम्स स्मार्ट इनफ लाइक द वन विच वी सॉ राइट नाउ. दिस इज इट.
ओके
Good.
तो दिस वाज द समरी ऑफ द एंटायर पेपर
Yes, this was the summary of paper.
एंड llama is a type of neural network architecture.
Yes, Llama is the type of neural network which has been trained. और उसका आर्किटेक्चर, हाँ, लोग वही बोलते हैं, लामा से ही उसके आर्किटेक्चर को बुलाते हैं. यस,
मतलब लामा के आर्किटेक्चर का नाम भी लामा ही है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
मतलब ताजमहल के आर्किटेक्चर का नाम ताजमहल है ना, कि इज
हाँ
इट मुगल
वैसे एक
आर्किटेक्चर, वैसे मैं पूछ रही हूँ।
ये ना उनका सब स्टैंडर्ड आर्किटेक्चर है, और दे काइंड ऑफ लाइक गिव आर्किटेक्चर की डिटेल्स. तो लामा ही बोलते हैं उसको, लामा ही. हाँ 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 हाँ, डन. नेक्स्ट.
मतलब अगर किसी ने ये अभी जाके नोटबुक एलम में डाल के लामा पढ़ा, what are the key takeaways from this paper that is relevant to a beginner?
Relevant to a beginner. Beginner के लिए this tells you everything you are going to do in future is built on Llama, or you are
हम्म
just getting used to that foundation. जो आप future में you are only gonna work in this. That's it. Getting to know what is most popular, that would be the summary. Right now,
मतलब अगर तुम इंटरनेट के बारे में जब अपन 90s में सीख रहे थे
yes,
तो कैसे गूगल पता होना चाहिए,
correct.
वैसे ही अगर एआई में आ रहे हो तो
Yes,
लामा पता
लामा
होना
पता होना
चाहिए।
चाहिए. Correct.
ओके।
करेक्ट. और इसलिए वो पेपर है. सो नाउ आगे से जब वी गो अबाउट द मॉडल, वी विल
हम्म
बी एबल टू गो इनटू मोर डिटेल, और
हम्म
हम एक्चुअल में ट्रेन करेंगे, एक्चुअल में फाइन ट्यून करेंगे. और यहाँ पे
हम्म
लेट्स से लामा मॉडल्स इकोसिस्टम, ये बहुत बड़ी इकोसिस्टम है. इट इज वेरी पॉपुलर, दैट्स व्हाई एवरीवन हैज टू नो इट. सो that's the end of it. And once you get here, then there are a lot of optimizations. Okay, so that would be my concluding thing. कि for
हम्म
example, there is a data set called as red pajama. वो क्या करता है,
हम्म
जो लामा को पूरा डेटा था उसको लेके वो डीडुप्लीकेट करता है. सो इट इज लाइक लामा का डेटा 1.4 ट्रिलियन टोकन था, ये इसको डीडुप्लीकेट करके और छोटा लेके गया. तो देर इज अनदर.
रीडुप्लीकेट मतलब जैसे एक्सेल में रिमूव डुप्लीकेट्स
यस,
करते हैं।
करेक्ट, वैसे ही.
हाँ।
देन देर इज स्लिम पाजामा, उसमें भी उसका फर्दर डीडुप्लीकेशन किया, तो डीडुप्लीकेट करके वो बिलियन टोकन्स में लेके आके गया वो. सो
ये नाम कौन सेलेक्ट
आई
करता
डोंट
है?
नो, आई डोंट नो. दीज आर सो मेनी वियर्ड नेम्स.
स्लिम पजामा पढ़ के ऐसे मुझे कैसे सपना आएगा कि ये ना पता है डी डुप्लीकेट करता है, वर्सेस एक्सेल में जिसमें लिखा है रिमूव डुप्लीकेट्स।
यस
हाउ डज दिस
यस
मेक इट इजियर?
यस, इट डजंट.
तो इसका नाम तुम राजेश भी रख सकते थे,
राजेश
इट
भी
वुड
रख सकते.
स्टिल मेक नो सेंस।
The only good model, good naming here is this. एक मिनट, मैं इसकी लिस्ट, मेरे को कौन से पेपर बात करने थे. रेड जामा, स्लिम जामा एंड टाइनी लामा. Tiny llama is the only thing which is named
टाइनी
nicely.
लामा थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे इंडिकेशन दे रहा है कि क्या
Yes,
कर रहे हैं.
1 billion parameter model trained on 3 trillion tokens. This is Tiny llama.
Okay,
So ऐसे
this
ही
makes
नाम है.
sense.
अभी क्या करें? You just have to get used to these words, and that's why most people on LinkedIn they say throw these words na कि you did this. I did supervised fine tuning. I did this architecture VGG. It's just those things, throwing words to sound
It's like
complex.
how everything sounds profound in Sanskrit.
Yes,
क्योंकि संस्कृत साउंड ही वैसे करता है.
correct.
वैसे कुछ भी तुम ऐसे टेक वर्ड्स में बोलो तो तुम बहुत स्मार्ट
Yes,
साउंड करते हो.
correct.
तो आम लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन चूरन दे रहे हैं.
करेक्ट, नहीं पता चलता. अगर कोड कर पा रहे हो तो चूरन नहीं दे रहे हो, अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो चूरन दे रहे हो, बस.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. दिस इज आवर
Okay.
एंड. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हम एक्चुअल कोड करना चालू करेंगे. विल राइट अ सिंपल न्यूरल नेटवर्क विच कैन डू, एक पॉजिटिव इमोशन है या निगेटिव इमोशन है ये कर पाएगा. एंड देन नेक्स्ट से हम लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल्स पे जाएंगे, स्मॉल मॉडल्स
Okay.
ऐसे इस पे. तो दैट वुड बी आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके.
Okay.
ओके, चलो, सी यू देन. बाय.
Thank you.
वेलकम.
Bye bye.
बाय.